We'll guide you through how to make a Shortcut PowerToys. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want faster ways to automate repetitive typing and tasks on Windows. Start by looking at your computer's main desktop screen and scan the area carefully until you find the PowerToys shortcut icon. Move your mouse cursor directly over the shortcut, then double-click the left mouse button to open the main PowerToys window. Wait a moment and watch the center of your screen while the program finishes loading completely. After it opens, the main dashboard will appear. Go to the left panel and click the Input and Output section, then select Keyboard Manager from the menu. When the Keyboard Manager page appears, check the toggle at the top and make sure it is switched on before continuing. Next, look below and click the Remap a Shortcut button so a new editor window opens. Press the plus icon at the bottom left to create a new shortcut row. In the empty row, click the pencil icon on the left side to open the Remap selection pop-up. Press the key combination that you want to use as your shortcut, such as Ctrl and S together. The shortcut will appear inside the left box. Now click the Action option on the right side and choose Send Text from the list. In the text box below, type the text that you want the shortcut to send automatically. Review the row to confirm the left side shows the shortcut, while the right side shows the assigned action. If needed, click the Target App field and type an app name such as Chrome to limit the shortcut to one program only, or leave it blank for all apps. Finally, press Apply or OK to save everything. Minimize the window, open Notepad, and test the shortcut by pressing Ctrl and S. If the shortcut works correctly, the text you entered earlier should instantly appear inside Notepad without typing it manually. You can return to Keyboard Manager anytime to edit the shortcut, change the sent text, or remove the shortcut completely. Creating custom shortcuts in PowerToys can save time because it lets you automate repeated typing tasks with a simple keyboard combination that is easy to remember and use.